beautiful souls, rise and shine. Let's start off the day with a positive mindset. Today is all about embracing the chill vibes and diving into a day packed with productivity and peace. First things first, it's time to set the day's intentions. I opened up Notion and create a planner, making sure I'm organized and ready to conquer the day. After a quick check of important emails and finger crossed for that dream job, it's time to dive into studying Solidity and understanding its integrating code. I always use Pomodoro technique whenever I study. After a little freshening up, it's time for breakfast around 8:30 a.m. and today's breakfast consisted of nutritious poha. After a refreshing warm shower, I prefer to do a little skincare to keep the dryness at bay and to keep the skin glowy. And since it's the day off, why not tackle the laundry? It's been a week and those clothes need some love and attention too. Now I'm off to the college with my awesome roommate to handle some paperwork and submit assignments. We have reached the college and it looks magical with the rays of sunshine embracing its walls. After finishing all the important tasks in the college, we prefer to roam around a little bit and then we go out. Today we stopped at Flavors of South for a much craved masala dosa, which was absolutely delicious. Now we are going back to our PG. But we had some fun time roaming around the park and doing some chit chats while we go back. Since I was a little bored, so I was scrolling through social media and exploring some interesting GitHub repositories. At 5:30 p.m., it's the time for workout. I put on my workout clothes and my favorite jacket and I'm off to the park with my cool roomies. We always do 10 minutes walk prior to any workout, exercises or stretching activity. We perform all the crucial exercises necessary for a proper warm-up and to avoid injuries. We did a number of kicks together, including axe kick, front kick, roundhouse kick, side kick, and more. We later switched to practicing kicking combinations to enhance our training. From stretching to taekwondo kicks, it was an hour filled with challenges and fun. After a proper cool down, I had warm water and some post-workout chatter with my juniors. At 8 p.m., it's time for dinner, and it was a huge surprise. Auntie cooked up some chole puri and pudding, and it felt like a sweet reward for the day's accomplishments. Post dinner, it was all about organizing. I arranged my clothes neatly and kept my study notes in place. And after a little coding related work, I started reading the book Think Like a Monk by Jay Shetty. This was recommended by my roommate, and I would really say it was an engaging and an insightful read. Today I read about the contrast between the monk mindset and the monkey mind. And this particular line in this book had a huge impact on me. I would like to share it with you. It says, "Our minds can either elevate us or pull us down." Today we all struggle with overthinking, procrastination, and anxiety as a result of indulging the monkey mind. And I couldn't agree more. For those who haven't even heard of this book, I would recommend you to give this book a read and you won't regret it. After a 30 minutes of insightful reading, I glanced at my motivational stickers on the wall. They are not just the reminders of the task, but also a reminder of my accomplishments, and they also act as some self-encouragement thing. I tie up my hair in a simple braid before I go to bed, and now it's time to call it a day. Thanks for joining me on this chill yet fulfilling day. Until next time.